Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video today showing you how to fit a new repeater lamp on this 3 Series BMW, and the repeater lamp's actually an LED unit in the mirror there. It's got a genuine BMW lamp. There are some cheaper aftermarket ones on there, but if you check out the links in the description below, I'll put the part numbers, the links to the genuine ones and some aftermarket ones as well, and I'll put some links to all the tools used as well. It's a fairly straightforward job. The first thing I'm going to do is just pop the mirror glass off. I'm just using one of these trim tools there, and basically I'm just going to you can do it with your hands, but you need to pop it in sort of position like that, and you do need to just work it quite gently just so you don't crack the glass, but it pops on a little sort of round clip in the centre. I'll just show you that as we get it off. Just before we get into the video, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, just click on the subscribe button below to make sure you don't miss out on any future content. We've got quite a few other videos on some BMWs as well. There's some service ones on there and plenty of others to check out. Clutch change as well. So. Once you've popped it off the circle there, you'll see there's 2 wires on it for the heated glass. If you just gently put your mirror glass aside, you don't have to disconnect them. You can, if you want, just disconnect them and just pull it off, but I'm just going to leave it set aside. The next job we've got to do now is just get the front cover off, and to do that you've got 3 clips. Just see one there, another one there and one there, and all you've got to do with them is just pinch them together and just pop them out a little bit at a time and get that off. So just do that next. Just as we've got it off there, there's your 3 pinch clips, and just sort of guides in and just clips on over these little bits on the bottom there. So move that piece off. Next job we've got to do is just get the actual bottom piece off with the light on, and we've got some torque screws in there. Just see one to the right hand side, one in the centre and another one to the left there. So we're just going to undo all them next. And to get these screws out, I'm just going to want a Torx 10 screwdriver, so again I'll put a link in the description below to them. And so that's the 3 on the back done. If you just come around the front, you've just got one more on this side there you're just going to want to undo. Once you've got that undone, you can just simply work the light unit out. As we pull it out, we've just got the connector at the bottom there to pull it out, so let me show you that once we've got it off. Can be a little bit tight to get that out. Just say, I think someone's had this one out before, and there's part of the actual connector bracket broke off there. Normally there'd be a little clip on there, just holding the connector. But this one, I'll just show you. Right, we might have a couple of issues. So if we look at the connector, you can see how green and corroded it is. It's had a bit of water in there, so I'm just going to try clean that up with some electrical cleaner, fit the new one, and then if that don't work we might have to look at getting a new connector for that. So but we'll have a quick go at that, see if it works. But as you can see from this stage, it's just a case of refitting it as you took it off. Not too bad a job to do at all really, and just save yourself a bit of money. So but I'll carry on putting it back together. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. You see on the new one, that bit of the connectors there. So. That's it, the new lamp all fitted. You can just see to start with, it was a little bit, just flickering a little bit. I don't know if that was to do with that green connection there, but we'll just trial that, see how it goes, and if it does become a problem, we'll have to just see if we can get a second-hand connector and cut it and solder it into the loom. But thanks for watching, and see you next time.